As an adult, I've sadly dealt with so much acne, and now I'm dealing too with not only acne, but the dark spots left over. So that's why I wanted to try these Mighty Patch dark spots. Micropoint for dark spots. These were gifted to me from the brand, but it's always a wicked mask for you. So what you're going to find is different. One, they're always going to come in these individually packed, so you can kind of keep them as fresh as possible, but they're going to come in little parts, and you're actually going to be able to feel the micro dart, which is very interesting compared to pimple patches where it's going to be sticky all around because it's going to have that hydrocolloid. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the patch. I do have a dark spot like right here that I'm always kind of concerned about. And as you can see, it's really not visible in the skin. That I always suggest put this on dry skin. That if you have any like cream or anything like that, I would kind of clean it with a Q-tip first to get the best kind of stick. But this is good for 6 to 8 hours. You can leave it on, and this has some great ingredients. This has tanninaxamide acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, and licorice root. So niacinamide is going to be that brightening. So is that vitamin C. So there's a lot of brightening ingredients, and licorice root is going to be like a calming agent that you're going to find that's really going to brighten the skin. It's not going to irritate, and it's really going to help lighten any dark spots. So if you're looking for something to help like really pinpoint those dark spots, this is going to be what you want.